Welcome back, geezers, geezettes, guys, aliens, everybody all around the world. A bit rough this morning. I had a bottle of mead last night. Yeah, been a bit busy. Got an order to go out. Yesterday was doing orders, and that's it. We're nearly out of honey now. So yeah, they're having 5 of the chili honeys, 10 of the immune boosters, which are a bit stronger. Through the recommendations and reviews, people said, can it be a bit stronger? So it's a bit stronger. And then 20 of the normal beautiful golden honey. Yeah, we took the old caddy waddy van back, and it's pass. Yeah, it's just got a nail in the freaking tyre, and one of the tyres is a bit baldy waldy apparently. It's not very baldy waldy. It's only baldy waldy in a bit. Yeah. So I'm just about to sort all my fondant out in some Chinese tubs, and then go around all the bees and make sure they've got fondant on. There's no sign of bee flight, but look at the weather we're having. It's getting down -6 and stuff. But yeah, that's what I'm going to be doing. So I'll come back when I'm doing that. Alright, so I'm just going to check these ones in the garden, make sure they've got fondant. The new swarm, the one that we collected out of the tree the other day, is in that blue hive on the end. In there. Now I know they've got fondant because I put some in yesterday. Just got to look at these ones. Been having those really. I'm going to be around the farm in a little while and check them all. Yeah, they're chomping through theirs. Remove this one. Bees will be down in there. They're going to want a new tub soon. Got some fungi growing under the roof. So these ones are a bit flighty, but they got some yesterday. Yeah, they're all up there. They're alright. It's these ones, I'm worried about these ones. Them girls. The rob random bees. So we got a little bee come out, say hello. It's a bit cold for you out here, gal. Go on. Relocating, like, because I've moved everything. Should be alright because they've been locked away for a few days. Well, they've not been locked away, but the cold's kept them in, so she's a bit confused, poor girl. Where's she going? Right guys, I'm just up at the farm. Just to turn this music down. I've been up to the deer farm already, but I didn't video record it because I dropped my camera and lost it, and then Cliff helped me find it, so I didn't video anything while I was up there. But I'm at the deer farm now. Cliff come round and helped me, and we checked in top of all the hives up there. We see bees in all the top except for one, but them bees will be down lower, because when I did a knock on the hive door, you heard them rev up. So, and they've all got fondant and stuff. It's not so bad up here today because it's frozen, so we'll be on top of the mud. So I'm tempted to chuck my trailer on, go back round to the farm and get the apple trees into my trailer and take my trailer down to the bees, because I'm not going to sink. I'm just going to, you know, because it's frozen, we're going to be on top of the ice. So yeah, I'm just dropping this display unit back into me into the bee unit, because, oh hello, hang on, that was the farmer, so he couldn't find the donkeys, but then he found them. So yeah, I'm going to chuck the trailer on and take that round and get the apple trees into the trailer and get them down the bottom. Even if I can't plant them today because of the frozenness, they're down there ready to be planted. So I'll cover them over, you know, the roots over, so they don't get mullered. That's the plan, it's down. Right, so we've got a trailer on now, so we're going to get these apple trees. Hopefully, my plan that we're going to float above the mud on the ice. We'll soon see. The sun's been on it, hasn't it? This could be a dumb idea, man, as usual. Where we come through there though, look. There you go, that bit's in the shade. That bit's not. We'll see. Anyway, I'll come back in a while. Oh my, look at that. So I'm actually going to drop my trailer off because the apple tree's then as big as I thought, so I don't really need the bloody trailer for it. I'll just open the boot and put them in the boot. So yeah, we'll get them down there. I'll just get this trailer off. So we just had to pick a route down. Hope it's not overly crappy, because I think where the sun's been on it, it's not going to be as hard as I'd like. But trusty Panda, we've got the trees in the back, they'll be alright like that. It'll be good. So I'll stick it on the roof, might as well. Look at how big the moon is and how low it is today. Big low moon. So I reckon I'll go in this way. Cross that way today, and I think we'll be alright. I'll get lined up. So that was pretty simple, as I predicted. As I thought, it was nice and frozen. So we'll get these planted and we'll just check the food situation on the hives. Right, so we've planted our trees. I'm just going to lift the tops just to make sure the bees went up to get their sugar. So them ones will come up for sugar. Them ones have their fondant, although they shouldn't want nothing. See where they've been eating their sugar. Yeah. That's all I'm doing, is just checking them off. I'll come back when I'm done. So all these ones are coming up for their sugar. So the signs there, they've all been eating their sugar, so you don't need to look for the bees. See a bee there, look. Coming out to see what I'm doing, I think. So I'll just check the others and then I'll just go around the doors and make sure there's no dead in the doorways blocking up the holes. Job done. Right, so they're all alright and all. They've all got sugar, they've all been eating their sugar. I've just been and cleared all the doorways with a little cleary tooly thing. So yeah, all good. Trees planted. All good for another week in the bee hood. And yeah, so yeah, all done. Just look nice sunny there. And the moon over there. Yeah. So, done dillion.